This comprehensive course is designed to equip learners with a deep understanding of the health insurance landscape in India. By the end of the course, learners will be able to explain various health insurance products, understand regulatory. Let's look at a real-life example that shows how health insurance can be a true game changer for low-income families. Rajesh Kumar, a rickshaw puller from a small town in Bihar, earned barely enough to feed his family.